स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमारा टॉपिक है ऑपरेशन ऑन मैट्रिसेस। द बेसिक ऑपरेशंस इन द मैट्रिसेस थ्योरी आर एडिशन ऑफ मैट्रिसेस, सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ मैट्रिसेस, स्केलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ मैट्रिक्स, मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ मैट्रिसेस, एडिशन ऑफ मैट्रिसेस. Let A and B are two matrices of same order. A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. B is equal to B11, B12, B13, V21, V22, V23. Order of matrix A is 2 cross 3 and order of matrix B is equal to 2 cross 3. A और B दोनों जो हैं वो सेम ऑर्डर की हैं. देन A प्लस B इज इक्वल टू A11 plus B11, A12 plus B12, A13 plus B13, A21 plus B21, A22 plus B22, A23 plus B23. In general, if A is equal to Aij M cross N and B is equal to Bij M cross N, or two matrices of the same order, say M cross N, then the sum of two matrices A and B is defined as a matrix C is equal to Cij M cross N, where Cij is equal to Aij plus Bij for all possible values of I and j. Let A is equal to 2, 0, 5 minus 3, 7, 4. B is equal to 6, 1, 4, 2 minus 5 minus 1. दोनों का ऑर्डर 3 क्रॉस 2, 3 क्रॉस 2. अब इनको हम ऐड करेंगे. A प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू 2 प्लस 6, 0 प्लस 1, 5 प्लस 4, माइनस 3 प्लस 2, 7 माइनस 5, 4 प्लस माइनस 1, 8, 9, 2, 1 minus 1 and 3. Operation on matrices. If A and B are not of the same order, then A plus B is not defined. For example, A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 0. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 1, 2 cross 3. Then A plus B is not defined. Subtraction of matrices. Let A is equal to Aij M cross N and B is equal to Bij M cross N are two matrices of same order. Then difference of two matrices A and B is defined as matrix C equal to Cij M cross N, where Cij equal to Aij minus Bij for all possible values of I and j. Let A is equal to 6, 5, 0, 8 minus 3, 2, 2 cross 3 and B is equal to 3, 7, 5, 2, 9 minus 6, 2 cross 3. Therefore, A minus B is equal to 6 minus 3, 5 minus 7, 0 minus 5, 8 minus 2, minus 3 minus 9, 2 minus 6 minus and minus plus 2 plus 6, 3 minus 2 minus 5, 6 minus 12, 8, 2 cross 3. If A and B are not of the same order, then A minus B is not defined. For example, A 2, 3, 1, 0 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 1, 2 cross 3. So then A minus B is not defined. तो A plus B के लिए यानी कि एडिशन ऑफ मैट्रिसेस करनी है तब भी ऑर्डर सेम चाहिए, तब एडिशन जो है वो डिफाइन होगी. और अगर सब्ट्रैक्शन करनी है तो तब भी जिन दो मैट्रिसेस को हम ऐड करने सब्ट्रैक्ट करने जा रहे हैं उनका ऑर्डर सेम होना चाहिए, तब जा कर के वो सब्ट्रैक्ट हो सकती है. Now, properties of matrix addition, commutative law. If A is equal to Aij M cross N and B is equal to Bij M cross N are two matrices of same order M cross N, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. Associative law. Let A is equal to Aij M cross N, B is equal to Bij M cross N and C is equal to Cij M cross N or three matrices of same order, then A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Existence of additive identity. If A is equal to Aij M cross N is a matrix of order M cross N and 0 is a M cross N 0 matrix, then A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A. Existence of additive inverse. If A is equal to Aij M cross N is a matrix of order M cross N, then minus A is equal to minus Aij M cross N is another matrix such that A plus minus A equal to minus A plus A equal to 0. So minus A is the additive inverse of A or negative of A. Negative of a matrix. The negative of a matrix is denoted by minus A, which is equal to minus 1 into A. For example, A is equal to 3, 1 minus 5x, then minus A is equal to minus 1 into 3, 1 minus 5x equal to -3, -1, 5, -x. Scalar multiplication. Let A is any matrix and K is a number. Then the matrix defined by multiplying each element of A by K is called scalar multiple of A by K and is denoted by Ka. Some properties of scalar multiplication. If A and B are two matrices of same order and K is scalar, then K into A plus B is equal to Ka plus Kb. If A is any matrix and K1, K2 are any scalars, then K1 plus K2 is into A is equal to K1A plus K2A. K1, K2A equal to K1, K2 into A. Multiplication of matrices. The product of two matrices A and B is defined if the number of columns of A is equal to the number of rows of B. Let A is equal to Aij M cross N is a matrix and B is equal to Bij N cross P is a matrix of order N cross P. Then the product of the matrices A and B is the matrix C of order M cross P. For example, A equal to 4 minus 2 1 0 6 3 2 cross 3 matrix and B is equal to 5 3 minus 1 1 7 minus 1 3 cross 2. Order of matrix A equal to 2 cross 3, here M equal to 2 and equal to 3, and order of matrix B is equal to 3 cross 2, here M is equal to 3 and equal to 2. The number of columns of matrix A is equal to the number of rows of matrix B. The number of columns of matrix A is equal to the number of rows of matrix B. The product of matrix A and B is defined. That is, the product AB is defined.